Now it's your turn. This is section 2 of the butterfly text. Hungry caterpillars eat milkweed leaves. They eat until their skin gets too tight. Pop! They molt or shed their old skins. Underneath is a new, larger skin. A caterpillar sheds its skin 4 or 5 times. The caterpillar hangs upside down from a leaf. It sheds its skin 1 more time. The new layer is called a pupa or chrysalis. Now this is very interesting because a lot of times I have kids that tell me, oh, they have cocoons. But actually cocoons are for moths. For butterflies, they have pupa or chrysalis. But that wasn't what this whole section was about. If you read these 2 pages, you'll be able to tell me what this whole section was about. Just like I did on section 1 in finding out that it was about butterfly eggs.